Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we're going to continue on with the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. And so today we're going to do day 9 of the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. And these are going to be quick videos. We're almost done. We've got just a couple days left, so we're almost done. Just hang with me and watch everyone so you know all the great ornaments that come out of this pack that we get from Aldi. So give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So today is day 9. So let's see what we've got here. Looks like, what is this? A bunch of little balls. Oh, this says Noel. This is a Noel ornament that has these little pom-poms. Well, are those pom-poms? Yeah. That you're going to put on here. And the directions are very short but very clear, so it's easy to figure out what you're supposed to do. And first we have to take the outer layer out. Well, get the letters out of this layer of felt. And then once we've got those separated out, I decided to go buy ribbon because I'm sick of their hangers. So I'm going to make my own hangers with this little gold braided ribbon from Hobby Lobby. 50% off all the Christmas at Hobby Lobby. All right, so first we're going to put the letters together, make sure we have it spelled properly, and then we're going to put the hanger behind or in between. So in between the two layers of the letters. So we'll start off with the L, and we're going to just lay that right on top of, the letter where you can see it, and put the little hanger behind the sticky part of the L. And then same thing on the N, we're going to hang or put the hang tag under the N there. Very simple and easy. And then we'll put the other letters on as well. I guess they did the 2 layers on all the ornaments because it's a little bit more 3-dimensional. And that was a big deal for a while, everything being, have some dimension to it. So I don't know. And then we're going to put our little pom-poms on the letters. Simple as that. So I don't need to talk about this. Y'all can just watch it. I couldn't get that one in the right spot. And once you stick it down, you can't really move it very well. So I had to kind of live with where I put it, which is fine. And that's basically it. Super easy little craft. Quick and easy. And it's kind of cute. It kind of looks like a kid's craft, but whatever. It's kind of cute. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.